Alright, so I've already mounted this. No, excuse me. Alright, so I've already drew the line of where I wanted it to go as far as the markings on the wall. So now I'm going to attach my drill bit for these lag bolts. So I got my drill and I got my lag bolt and the washer. So what I want to do, and I got a level. You gotta have a level. So I got a level with a magnet on it. So I'm gonna start my first hole. Either side don't matter, right? But you can also, with this thing, you can slide it over a little bit to the left, slide it over a little bit to the right. So that makes it great. So I got my level up here on the wall. I'm trying to figure out where it's level at, where's the best area to put the first hole. That looks good right there. Might go over a little bit more because I'm trying to get right in between where the stud is. Alright, so that looks pretty good. I'll go ahead and drill the hole. Start the hole right here. Reason this lag bolt wants to act funny. Alright, let's try this again. Seem to be level right there. Alright. I ain't gonna put it all the way in right now. I'll put it right there. So I can check my level. Alright, slide down here and check my level down here. Looks pretty good. Slide down here. Check my level down here. Looks pretty good. Right there. Alright, that looks pretty good. Stay right there. Whoop. Sure, I'm in there now. All right. I'm just starting it. I'm not putting them all the way in right now. Just starting it. Alright. So now I'm going to put the other two screws in. I also got to look and figure out where the brackets are going to be in the back of the TV. And those are where the brackets are going to have to hang. So I could slide this over more. Instead of putting it in there, I should go over two more away from the wall. So that's what I'll do. I don't want to be too close to the wall. When I'm too close to the wall, that means I got no room to move. Shift it over now. So just as the purpose, they give you the extra room here. All right, I like that. I like that. I like that a lot. We'll go ahead and go here with it. Put it here. I like that better. I got the same stud at the bottom that I do at the top. I know it because I just tapped it with a screw. I mean a nail. And it didn't go through. What'll happen if you tap it somewhere else? Let's say I tap it over here. Here's what's going to happen. You better knock the screw all the way in. Just can't knock the screw in here because you're into a stud. So that's how you do that. Alright. Alright, so another thing I would like to say is I wouldn't suggest using the lag bolts that came in their kit. The ones that came in their kit, I've got a bag of lag bolts. I had to go out and get a bag because the lag bolt they had broke off, and to make it so bad, it's in the top. But instead of having to do, since it's the very last one, instead of having to do the whole thing over again, I'm going to try to squeeze by the lag bolt that's broke and put this new one in and see if that works. You don't believe me? Here's the end of the bolt right here. It just broke off. Don't use their bolts, lag bolts. Get you some better ones. See if I can get this one to go right beside it. And if it doesn't work, I'm going to have to go all the way. This is the lag bolt you use to put the satellite on top of your house so it don't blow away. So I know this lag bolt's good, you know. But don't expect them to give you, you know, the best lag bolts in the world in this kit. So I was able to successfully slide right beside that other lag bolt and stay in the stud. I mean, I'm right beside the other lag bolt. As soon as you start going through a little bit of the trouble, maybe you're going through the knot on the wood, that lag bolt that they got in that kit is gonna break. So this one's holding up. Seems to be going in okay. Don't run these bolts in there too fast because you can split the stud on the end. So once you get it tight, just kind of tighten it up real slow. I'm just tightening this one up so tight, so I'm making sure I slid past that lag bolt, and I appear to have done it. So everything's great. Give it a tug. Make sure everything's up there the way you want it. All right. This one needs to be tightened a little bit. For the next phase, I'm going to put the brackets on back of the TV. You want to tilt it forward. It has those options to tilt it forward. I'm going to take the screws out here. It's already got screws in it. Take them out. One. Two. Three. Four. Now we put the brackets back in on where they were. Alright, so that's that. The mountain brackets are up there. Just tilt it out as far as it'll go. Should be alright to put on the wall. Up there. The cool thing why I wouldn't tilt, but it's okay. Just trying to tilt. Just right. That's crazy. There's something to it. Okay. But that's it. Put the TV up there, so if you like this video, please like and subscribe. Sweat Handyman. I'm out.